Welcome to Seated and Strong, and today, as the name suggests, we're going to be focusing on seated poses using our weights mixed in with yoga poses. And don't forget, 1 kg dumbbells either side of your mat about halfway down. Let's get started. Okay, meet me in tabletop position. And in tabletop position, hips over knees, shoulders over wrists. We don't want to be here directly over the wrist. And make sure your hands and your knees are as wide as your shoulders and your hips. Then when you're ready, drop the belly, arch the back, inhale, look forwards, and then exhale, round the spine, push away. Remember to keep that position directly over the wrist. One more, inhale, arch. Exhale, round, tuck the chin to the chest. One more, inhaling, looking forwards. Exhale, arching and rounding. And then back into neutral. Now take the right leg behind you, raise it up, level with the hip, point the toe, really stretching the front of the hip flexor. And then take it across to the left, pointing. You can turn the head a little bit to look over that left shoulder. And then back to level with the hip. And then draw the knee to the nose, crunch, mobilizing the spine. Take that knee back down to tabletop. Extend the left leg out, level with the hip, point the toes, stretch the entire front of that hip flexor. Take it across to the right point, maybe turn the head, look over the shoulder, taking it back, bring it knee to nose, crunch, round the spine, back to tabletop. Walk the hands forward, lower yourself down, keep your bottom directly over your knees, and this is puppy dog pose, bringing the forehead to the mat if you can. If not, wherever you are is good. Really feel that stretch on the shoulders, the upper back, and slide all the way back. Take the knees wide, feet crossed, push bottom back to heels, slide the hands forward. This is child's pose, extended child's pose. And now we're directly, softly and gently opening the hip joints, preparing us for a little bit of hip work later in the session. Walk the hands to the right, left hand on top of right. Inhale, lowering down. Feel that stretch on the left, and we're warming and opening up the sides of the body for some of the weights we'll be doing. Walk across to the left, right hand on top of left. Inhale, lower down, exhale. Feel that stretch on the right side of the body. And back to center. And now we want to come into a seated position where we're sitting back on our heels. I'm going to face you for this one. And we're going to be taking both dumbbells in our arms. And I want you to extend the right arm out. And we're going to row it back, okay? So when you're ready, we're going to do extend both. Row back for 1, extend. Left, row back for 2. Other side, and we're just alternating for 3, 4, and 5. From here, both arms extended. We're now going to open out, bring the shoulder blades together for 1, extend forwards, 2, extend forwards, 3, extend forwards, 4, and 5. Somewhere between dumbbell flies and cactus arms. Bring both arms together now, dumbbells vertical. Here we go, dumbbell flies for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Place your left hand dumbbell down. Remember, I'm opposite to you. And now taking the one in the right arm, I want you to bring it behind you. So almost as if your elbow is parallel with your ear. And now take it up, inhale, Exhale, bring it down. Feel that stretch on the back of the tricep for 1 and 2 and last one, 3. Swap hands, take it behind you, bring the elbow close to the side of the head and inhale in. Exhale for 1. Inhale, reach. Exhale for 2. Really feel that stretch. Inhale for 3. Exhale in and release. Place your dumbbells down. Cross the feet behind you. Roll over and we're coming into our seated position. So we've done a little bit of preparatory work, warming up the body. And now I want you to point the toes upwards. Find your alignment, make sure you're nice and upright, you're not slouching. Take an inhale and just gently walk the arms forwards and releasing any tension in the lower back. Trying to keep the back nice and straight, and all we're doing, and it may be that you're here, that's okay, wherever you are. And slide the arms back. Now take the hands behind you. Think about spinning the shoulders in. Spinning them round, spinning them in. And when they're turning inwards, lifting up, bringing the toes flat to the floor, drawing the navel in. See if you can drop the head back for 3, 2, 1. And releasing down. So from here, we're going to reach with our left hand towards our right toe. Take hold of your right dumbbell and bring the dumbbell, extend that arm out to the side of the foot. Bring yourself up tall, draw the navel in, keep your core nice and tight. Open out for 1. See if you can turn the head to look at the weight. Back we go. For 2. And 3. And take that foot now, cross it on the outside of the left leg. Use the left hand, hook around that right knee, really squish it in. So we're really kind of working, stretching at the outside of this right hip. You'll feel it. But we're going to do some little bicep curls. So keeping your hand close to your body. So rising up, inhaling, exhaling, squeeze, inhaling, exhaling, squeeze, and one more, squeeze, and releasing down. Uncross that leg, extend them forward, inhale, reach up, exhale, folding forwards to wherever you can reach. Slide the hands back, hands behind you, spin the shoulders in, lifting up, reverse plank, draw the navel in, drop the head back for 3, for 2, 1, and releasing down. Now you're taking your right hand to your left toe, bring that left dumbbell up at the side of the foot, and when you're ready, open up for 1. Nice and slow. 2, turning the head, keeping upright. 3. And bring that foot on the outside of the right leg. Use the right hook. Squeeze that leg into you. And then done. Feel this stretch on the left thigh. Dumbbell curls. Let me spin around so you can see. And 1, inhaling, 2, squeezing on the exhale, 3, and one more, 4, and releasing down. Now bring your knees in front of you, bend the legs, just windshield wiper from side to side. I'm facing you, I'll mirror you for this one, so you're bringing the left foot into the corner of the groin, okay, and this is a normal pose that we fall forwards. in yoga, but today you're going to take the dumbbell in your right hand and you're going to bring it over and really reach and extend using that left hand to support you, and releasing back. Switching sides, so it's a nice open stretch to the side of the body. Inhaling, reaching and stretching all the time whilst we're opening our hips. And then lastly, legs extended out. Where's my dumbbell? Both dumbbells, extend the arms out, and let's finish with some nice wrist curls. 1, 2, 3, other direction. 1, 2, and 3. And now shoulder curls for 1, 2, 3, other direction. 1, ooh, you can feel it. 2, and 3. Bring the dumbbells down beside you. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, folding forwards. Give yourself a nice long stretch. Slide the hands back up. And I hope you enjoyed this short seated sequence. I hope you can feel the burn on your arms, and we've done some nice gentle hip work too, and quite a few twists. I'll see you again soon. Namaste.